Namaste friends. Today I am discussing informative and competitive examination sake some of the GK questions discussion doing with you. So for that, welcome to DigitalDNAN.com. I am Dr. Parshwanath and today I am bringing you a novel features for your competitive exam 25 most important general knowledge questions in simple way. So that everyone understand easily. Let's begin. Question 1. Who is the protector of the Indian Constitution? Who is the protector of Indian Constitution? 4 options are there. A. President, B. Supreme Court, C. PM or Prime Minister, and D. Parliament. Among these 4, which is the correct answer? Answer is B. Supreme Court. Why Supreme Court is the correct answer? Because Supreme Court is always supreme in the court, ensures that the laws follow that constitution and protect the people's rights. That is why Supreme Court is the correct answer. Next question. Article 356 is related to dash dash. So 356 is which regard? A. Emergency, B. Presidential rule, C. Money bill, and D. Elections. So correct option is answer B. Presidential rule. Because if a state government is not working properly, the president is the highest who can take control of that state and make administration smooth. That is why presidential rule is a correct answer. Next question. Which amendment added the fundamental duties? A. 42nd Amendment, 44th Amendment, 52nd Amendment, and last D one is there, 73rd Amendment. So correct answer A. 42nd Amendment, that in the year of 1976, that 42nd Amendment added the fundamental duties to the Constitution. That's why that answer is correct. Next question. Who is called as the Grand Old Man of India? Who is called as a Grand Old Man of India? Option A. Tilak, option B. Nehru, option C. Dadabhai Naoroji, and option D. Gokhale. So correct answer is C. Dadabhai Naoroji. Why? That how Britishers rule caused to economical drain from India, that the Dadabhai Naoroji is given much importance to that. That's why answer C is correct. Next question. A year of Jallianwala Bagh massacre. A. 1917, B. 1918, C. 1919, and last option is 1920. The correct answer is 1919, because on 13th April 1919, British troops fired on peaceful protesters in Amritsar. Next question. Founder of Indian National Army. Who is the founder of Indian National Army? Option A. Gandhiji, option B. Bose, option C. Bhagat Singh, and option D is Ras Bihari Bose. So which is the correct answer? Answer 4th option is a D is the correct answer, that is Ras Bihari Bose. Why this answer is correct? He established, who? Ras Bihari Bose is established this, and later on Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose led it. Next question. Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? Tropic of Cancer passes through how many states? Regarding this, 4 answers are there. A. 5 states, B. 6 states, C. 8 states, and D. 9 states. How many states that the Tropic of Cancer passed? So option C is the correct, because it passes through 8 states like Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, etc. Next question. The highest peak in South India. Which is the highest peak in South India? A. Doddabetta, B. Anmudi, C. Nanda Devi, and D K2. Which is the correct? D is the correct. Anmudi is the highest peak in South India because it is situated in Kerala, and the highest peak in South India is only Anmudi. Next question. Which vitamin is called as the sunshine vitamin? Which vitamin is called as a sunshine vitamin? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, or vitamin D? Which is the correct? Answer is option D is the correct. Vitamin D. Our body produces the vitamin D exposed to sunlight. Main gas in Earth's atmosphere: A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. CO2, and D. Hydrogen. Which is the correct option? Option B. Nitrogen is the correct answer. It makes up around 78% of the Earth's air. That is why it is the correct answer. Next question is, India's central bank is called as dash dash. India's bank, which bank? Central bank is called as A. RBI, B. SBI, C. ICICI, and D. Axis Bank. The answer is A. RBI is the correct answer. That is Reserve Bank of India manages the country's money, bank transactions, and all financial updates. Next question. Digital India campaign launched in the year of 2013, B. 2014, and C. 2015, and D is 2016. Which is the correct answer? Answer C is the correct answer. In the year of 2015, launched to improve the technology and internet access in government services. That's why that 2015 is declared, and we are called it the correct answer. Next question is, who conducts elections in India? Who conducts elections? A. Prime Minister, B. Election Commission, C. Chief Justice, and D. Lok Sabha. Which is the correct answer? Answer B is the correct, because Election Commission is the highest power to conduct election all over the India and is an independent body to conduct free and fair elections in India. That's why this is the correct answer. Next question is, what comes next in the series 2, 6, 12, 20? So answer is A 30, B 26, C 36, and D 28. Which is the correct answer? A is the correct answer, because the series increases by +4, +6, +8, +10, and so on. The next is going on +12, +20, and +12 equal to 30 is coming. So A option is correct one. Next question, mirror image of CODE looks like. What is the question? Mirror image of CODE, that alphabetical word we are observing in the mirror, and how we are seeing that code into the mirror. Option A EDOC, option B EDOC, option C OCED, option D DOEC. Which is the correct answer? Answer B EDOC is the correct answer. In the mirror image of code reverses the order of the letters, so code becomes EDOC. Yes. Next question. Which country will host the G20 summit in the year of 25? Brazil, India, South Africa and Japan. Answer is C, South Africa. Because South Africa is the official host for the G20 summit in the year of 25 as per the rotation schedule of G20. Next question. First AI powered driverless metro started in dash dash. AI powered driverless metro started in which city? Particularly that we are calling metropolitan city. A, Delhi, B, Bengaluru, C, Mumbai and D, Kochi. Which is the correct answer? Answer B is correct. That is Bengaluru is launched India's first AI powered driverless metro as a part of its phase 2 metro expansion in January 2025. Next question. Ship of the desert is dash dash. Ship of the desert is dash dash. A, horse, B, donkey, C, camel and D, elephant. Which is the correct answer? Answer C, camel is the correct answer. Camels are called as the ship the desert because they can travel long distances in the desert without water. Next question. Who invented the light bulb? Who invented the light bulb? A, Isaac Newton, B, Nikola Tesla, C, Thomas Edison, D, Albert Einstein. The correct answer is option C, Thomas Edison. Who developed the first practical and long-lasting electric light bulb? That is why he is the correct answer. Next question. Which river is called as the Ganga of the South? Which river is called as the Ganga of the South? A, Krishna, B, Kaveri, C, Godavari and D, Tungabhadra. Which is the correct option? Option C is the correct. That is a Godavari. Godavari is the river in the India and is revered as Dakshin Ganga. Next question. Which planet is called as the red planet? Which planet is called as the red planet? A, Jupiter, B, Saturn, C, Mars and D, Mercury. The option C is the correct answer because the Mars appears red due to iron oxides rust on its surface. That's why this is the correct answer. Next question. Largest democracy in the world. Very nice question. What is the question? Largest democracy in the world. Think once, twice and many more times. Which is that country? Option USA, Russia and China and D, India. Which is the correct answer according to you? USA or Russia? None other than our mother country, India. Because India has the largest number of voters in our country and conducts the largest democratic elections compared to the other countries. That's why this is the biggest democratic country. Next question. How many players are there in the Kabaddi team? How many players are there in the Kabaddi team? 6, 7, 9 or 11. Which is the correct answer? Option B is the correct answer because a Kabaddi team has 7 players on the court during the play. Next question. That is a Constitution Day is celebrated on dash dash. Constitution Day is celebrated on dash dash. January 26, B, November 26, C, August 15, D. October 2. Which is the correct answer? B. November 26, that the Indian Constitution was adopted on 26th November 1949. Yes. Last question. Currency of Japan is dash dash. What is the currency of the Japan? A. Dollar, B. Yen, C. Won, and D. Peso. Answer is B. Yen. Japan's official currency is yen. How our Indian currency is called as rupee, like that Japan's currency is called as yen. Great job, friends. These 25 questions are very important for your exams. Did you get more than 20 correct? Comments and tell me below again which are the important needed. Don't forget to like my channel, share my channel, and subscribe my channel, that is DigitalDNAN.com, for more informative and competitive examination is regard video wanted to reach you. So DigitalDNAN.com is played very important role for giving very important informative videos to you. Until next time, study smart and score high. Jai Hind.